Welcome back to Sun Crypto channel. I just want to give a quick update about the BTC price action. Yesterday, as we talked about it, we kind of expected price to come down to 50%, but we got a strong support from this area of 13 EMA. So you can look at it right here. Price just continue the momentum, right? So that's pretty good. So at least the momentum is like still there. We're not getting any bearish momentum, right? So, but we start to see like some rejection. Uh, but we will see. We got like almost 10 hours left for the day, right? Because the daily gonna close at 7 p.m. Eastern time. So that's what I'm expecting for BTC to do. At least continue the upward momentum. But we're gonna have to recount our Elliott waves because since we did not retrace down to a 50% retracement, right, in this area, right, this area of support, right, so we don't have any support, right, so, and then in order to continue the momentum, right, we're going to need more volume, right, so decreasing volume is not good at this point because we don't have any supports, so the only way the price can keep going up is to keep up the support, to keep up the buying momentum, right? Because we don't have any support. So, uh, and then we could be counting this like another 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And then this would be like the second wave, right? You know, Elliott wave has 5 waves, right? You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? And then each of these sub waves, they got 5 wave structure, right? So let's just change the color. Let me make it like this. So each of these waves got 5 waves structure, right? So you got another one. Right? And then you got another one right here. So basically that's it. And then you're gonna be having like you're gonna be getting some ABC correction like this. So, on wave 4 and wave 2, right? So we could be expecting some similar to that. So we have completed wave number 1. Now we got a small retracement down here to 382, which is this area right now. Now we have to complete this area. Once we finish this area, now we can focus on the following area, right? So it won't be too confusing, right? So that's about it for today. Let's see how BTC is going to react. Just one more thing before I finish this video. Let's take a look at this daily time frame, right? Okay. This our number one challenge was to close above this 13 EMA, right? Because if we get support from this 13 EMA, most likely, you know, uh, most likely we were gonna get like a high momentum, right? From this area to that area, uh, as soon as we started this momentum, right? The first 12 hours, I was like, if BTC, manage to close above this 13 EMA, we most likely gonna go like above you know 38 to 3900, right? So, and right now we at like we close, I think like today's high is like almost 41, right? So but the challenge is, the most important challenge right now is that we have to close above this 21 EMA, right? Because the price got rejected like very bad. So, and then today's candle is very convincing, and then we could be like keeping up with the momentum, right? So let's say we get this type of candle. Let's say we get this type of candle right here. Oh, red is not good. Let's make it green. Okay. Alright, we get this type of candle, and then we get some like this, right? I need green. Okay. If we close this candle right here, if we close it right like this, right, we're definitely gonna go to 5300, right? So that's the most that's that's the most that is the most like challenging aspect of this candle right here. So being able to close as possible to this area, right? So that's very challenging. That's the first aspect, right? The second aspect of this candle is that we gotta stay above, even like the price got pushed down, we gotta stay above this 21 EMA, right? Let me make it clear, right? We gotta be able to stay above this 21 EMA, right? So, but if we close the candle like this, right, and below the 21 EMA, we're most likely gonna come down and retest this area. We're most likely gonna come down and retest this area because you're getting like two rejection, above the most volatile area, which is the 21 EMA. So I can show you right here. Every time we get close to this area, look at the volatility right here, right? Bang. So we usually like close it like with conviction, right? Like that. Just keep going, right? It's even more like convincing in the 4-hour time frame, the 21 EMA. Every time it gets close to this area, you can see this type of volatility you get, right? So we definitely don't want the price to close above below this 21 EMA, right? So, and then we also don't want the price to close red at all. Okay, if the price close red, right, that means it's bearish, first of all, right? Second of all, it means like we're gonna close below yesterday's you know yesterday's low. Most likely we're gonna close like below yesterday's low. Depend on the uh, the size of this body, right? So depend on the size of this body, even like this, we're most likely gonna close below this yesterday's low, right? So if that's the case, we're most likely gonna come down here and break this area of support, right? So because it wouldn't look good at all, right? Even on a 4-hour time frame, it wouldn't look good at all. So that's about it for today. Let's just wait and see how BTC is gonna close this candle. Hopefully we're gonna close above 30, which is what, 38. Let me see. I think like 39 now. Yesterday highs was like 39.18, right? So on Binance. So let's just wait and see if BTC is gonna be able to close first of all above 39.18. If not, stay 50% above this area of this week. If not, just stay above 21 moving average, right? 21 EMA. So at least BTC can accomplish one of those, right? At least, and then we're gonna avoid this type of candle today. So, alright. Thank you for watching. If you like the content, please subscribe, hit the like button, and let me know what you think down below the comment section. I do my best to respond to your comment section, right? I mean to your question in the comment section. Thank you.